people. So apparently on the number one spot that is trending on Netflix among the most watched shows is this show called Never Have I Ever. And really people, just watching it gives you a peek into the life of how it must be to be studying in the states, so. And I must say that like there's a lot of humor involved in the, like there is this narrative that goes along with uh, the main, the character is called Devi. Devi, she's got this very Indian sounding, South Indian sounding surname. So it's just so amazing, yeah, that they are able to convey this particular series. It's right from bullying to crushes to trying to fit in, and so many themes are touched upon, and people who go for therapy and all of that. So it's quite a refreshing show. So try and watch it, people. It's called Never Have I Ever, and you can find it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.